we have given 333 divided by 5. So 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 3 and it is 33. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 3. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 333 divided by 5 is 66.6. So 333 divided by 5 is 66.6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.